gold futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in NUGT. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. We're now below the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $1,813, acting as our temporary resistance. With the 4 hour chart, we have now approached to NUGT. As with the daily chart, we are in slightly negative MACD, and we're seeing signs of a diverge. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $165.16. My sell target is at $171.35. My stop loss is at $163.38. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $173.90. My sell target is at $166.98, and my stop loss is at $175.77. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 42% chance to climb between 0 to 2.6%. and a 42% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.6%, and a 17% chance to fall between negative 2.6 to negative 5.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.